What if I told you your brand new Galaxy S25 Edge might be at risk right now? The sleek curves, the stunning display, one drop and it could all vanish. But today, we're diving into the best premium cases that not only protect but elevate your phone's style to the next level. Welcome to MyAccessoriesTrench, where we turn everyday tech into personalized perfection. Stick around to discover the most durable, stylish, and luxurious cases out there. Love what you see? You'll find all the featured cases linked naturally for you right below. The number 5 product on our list is SIXBOX Case. What if your $1,200.00 Galaxy S25 Edge slipped from your hands right now? That sudden panic, yeah, we've all felt it. That's where the SIXBOX Case steps in as one of the best Galaxy S25 Edge premium cases you can get your hands on. It solves the real issues: cheap cases that crack, bulky ones that ruin the look, or weak magnets that drop your phone mid-drive. SIXBOX changes everything with its military-grade protection, shock-absorbing corners, and ultra-secure N52 magnetic lock for accessories like wallets, car mounts, and wireless chargers. Plus, the embedded metal kickstand isn't just sturdy, it's smart. It blends in seamlessly, supports wireless charging even while open, and makes video calls or Netflix binges way more comfortable. You also get a luxurious feel with premium TPU sides and a rugged yet refined fabric back that avoids the plasticky vibe of other cases. It's slightly heavier, yes, but it's a worthy trade-off for peace of mind. If you want elegance, safety, and everyday functionality in one sleek package, the SIXBOX is a seriously smart choice. Number 4 is Dexnor Case. Ever drop your Galaxy S25 Edge on gravel during a hike or while rushing out of your car? That heart-stopping moment is exactly why the Dexnor Case earns its place among the best Galaxy S25 Edge premium cases. Built for rugged real-world use, it combines military-grade protection with thoughtful design that doesn't sacrifice convenience. The shock-absorbent TPU bumpers and tough PC back shield your device from serious drops, while the foldable camera cover, tested over 5,000 times, keeps your lens safe and scratch-free. What really impressed me is the adjustable aluminium kickstand, strong, stable, and usable in both portrait and landscape mode, perfect for video calls or streaming outdoors. And let's not forget the powerful magnetic hold, supporting up to 1,400 G of force, which locks into magnetic car mounts or chargers with no wiggle or slip. You even get dual front frames, one with a built-in pet screen protector and one open for your own setup. It's a bit bulky, sure, but for adventurers, commuters, or anyone serious about protection, Dexnor is a smart, secure, and stylish solution you can trust. The third one on our list is FNTCASE Case. Ever wonder why so many so-called rugged cases still leave your Galaxy S25 Edge vulnerable in real-life situations? That's where the FNTCASE Case steps in as a serious contender among the best Galaxy S25 Edge premium cases, because it actually delivers what it promises. With a true military-grade design, this case wraps your phone in 360 degrees of confidence, from the 4-corner grooved airbags to the built-in screen protector that resists scratches without sacrificing touch sensitivity. Every detail is engineered to save your phone from those daily disasters. Whether you're commuting, hiking, or gaming in bed, the kickstand supports both portrait and landscape angles with ease, ideal for video chats or binge-watching without hand strain. The real game changer, though? That 360 degradable belt clip. It's detachable, rugged, and perfect for those constantly on the move. Think contractors, hikers, or parents juggling a million things. While it may feel bulkier in the pocket, the protection and practicality far outweigh the size. For anyone wanting complete peace of mind without compromising usability, the FN Case is a tough, smart, and worthy upgrade. On number 2 is OWKEY Case. What if I told you your Galaxy S25 Edge could survive a 10-foot drop and still charge effortlessly with MagSafe without ever taking the case off? Meet the OWKEY Case, a true standout in the lineup of best Galaxy S25 Edge premium cases. Let's be real, most people buy rugged cases expecting full protection only to find clunky bulk or poor compatibility. But OWKEY changes that story. With its certified military-grade durability, this case has been drop-tested over 1,000 times and comes through without a scratch. Literally engineered for peace of mind. The built-in magnetic ring is no gimmick either. Wireless charging is fast, stable, and just works. No removing the case, no signal interference. Add in a 9H aluminosilicate screen protector and raised camera guard, and you've got full body defense with elegant matte translucent styling that actually looks and feels premium. Compared to similar cases, this one nails the balance between sleek form and rugged function. If you want reliability without sacrificing style or usability, this is a smart, no-regret choice we confidently recommend. Just make sure you have the S25 Edge 6.7 model. It's built precisely for that. Now, moving to the last one is Oneagle Case. What if your phone case could actually enhance the way you use your Galaxy S25 Edge every day? The Oneagle Case isn't just another clear case. It's a smart blend of style, strength, and functionality, making it a top pick in the best Galaxy S25 Edge premium cases of 2025. Too often, users struggle to find a case that offers real protection without hiding the beauty of their phone. This case solves that, with crystal-clear German biomaterials that resist yellowing and keep your phone looking brand new. The 360-degree aerospace-grade rotating ring stand is a game-changer, perfect for hands-free viewing or carrying your phone while juggling groceries. Add in 38 built-in magnet support without slips or disconnects, and you've got seamless MagSafe support without slips or disconnects. Compared to other premium S25 Edge cases, Oneagle stands out for its military-grade drop resistance and thoughtful screen and camera protection. The grip is solid, the design is sleek, and it's tested for real-world impact. If you want peace of mind with every drop and swipe, this is one smart upgrade that's worth every penny. Just double-check your model size before you buy. Guys, this was the video about the best Galaxy S25 Edge premium cases. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.